When planning to start a cord reel station project, it's best to outline your unique specs in advance. Let's walk through some of the questions you will need to answer to begin your project. There are 3 areas to consider: external items, internal items, and if you would like to add any optional accessories. First, let us look at the external items you need to identify. Our standard 20 amp RTF series outdoor rated cord reels are all NEMA 4X and have a standard 50-foot SOOW black cord. How many reels do you feel you will need? For your cord reel power station, choose from 1 to 4 cord reels that can be mounted on 2 different levels. How high do you need the cord reels mounted? We offer them in 3 feet and 6 feet. Our powder-coated steel poles come in a standard safety yellow. Poles are also outfitted with a lifting hook on top for easy installation. Next, detail what you need regarding power for your cord reel station by looking at the options for internal components. Your choice will depend on how the application runs power to the cord reel power station poles. We offer 2 options: the GFCI junction box or the GFCI load center. If you want to run separate circuits for each reel, you will want to use the standard GFCI junction box. If you are looking to run a high amp feed, generally used more often as the number of reels per pole increases, then you will need option 2, the GFCI load center. And lastly, are there any other optional accessories you would like to add to your station? Here are a few that you could specify into your project to ensure you have just what you need for your job application. Breakaway cables. These easy-to-add pigtail cables help to extend the life of your cord reel power station by reducing instances of drivers damaging the station with unintended pullaways while still connected. Raised foundation or jersey barrier mounting kit. Instead of mounting your cord reel power station to a traditional 6-foot pole, you have the option of mounting the station on a raised foundation or jersey barrier using a mounting kit. These options are only available with a 3-foot pole. PowerSaver control panel. If you are looking for a way to help increase energy efficiency and convenience, consider the PowerSaver control panel. This unit controls the power of the cord reel station based on the day of the week, time of the day, and ambient temperature. It's capable of controlling 4 independent circuits, has a great user interface and display, and retains settings in the event of a power failure. Now that you have some additional information, contact us to begin your next cord reel power station project.